Hello everyone, so today we're going to look at VAT, value added tax. So VAT, value added tax, is a tax charged by the state on spending. So here in Ireland, so anytime you buy any item here in Ireland, whether it's food, from something as small as a chocolate bar to something as big as a house, you're paying tax on it. And when we go to the counter, the price that we see advertised is the price that already includes the VAT, so we just pay the price that we see. Whereas when you go to other countries, they do it differently. So for example, in America, I think the price that you see advertised does not include the VAT. So when you go up to the checkout and pay, they then add on the price of VAT onto it. So it's roughly 23% here in Ireland. So it's an extra tax on every item that you buy. Let's do an example now. So it's on page 339. Michelle sees a camera in the shop window. The price before VAT is €250. VAT is charged at 23%. How much will she pay for the camera? So the first thing we have to do is we have to find 23% of €250. And the way we do that is we turn 23% into a decimal. So we do that by saying 23 divided by 100 equals 0.23. Then we take the amount, 250, and we multiply it by 0.23. Type that into your calculator, then press the SD button to turn it into a decimal, and that gives me an answer of 57.5. So because we're talking about money, we must always have two decimal places, so we just add on a 0. So now we know the VAT equals €57.50. So that's the VAT amount charged. Then step 2, find the price after VAT. So that just simply means we write in the price before VAT, €250, add on the VAT amount, which is €57.50, giving us, and again press the SD button to turn it into a decimal, giving us an answer of 307.5. So because it's money, we add on a 0. So how much will she pay for the camera? She pays €307.50 for the camera. So I want you to take that example down into your copybook. You can pause the recording now and take this example down as you see it into your copybook. Now, once you've got that taken down into your copybook, what I want you doing then is doing some practice questions. So these are on page 340 and 341 of your textbook. So question 1, question 4 and question 7, and you're doing all of these the exact same way that I've just done in the example. So the price before VAT is given, the VAT rate is given, you have to work out the VAT amount and the price after VAT. Question 4, find the total price of ordering a movie online if the price of the movie is €5 plus VAT at 21%. So again, you're following your steps, you're finding 21% of €5, which gives you the VAT amount, and then add that on to €5 to give you the total price. Question 7, dinner in a restaurant for 4 people costs €140 excluding VAT. Find the total bill when VAT is charged at 13.5%. So again, you work out the VAT amount, 140, find 13.5% of 140, and then that adds that on to 140 to give you your total price. So you can see here how there's different VAT amounts, and there's different VAT amounts depending on the item. So that's the work that I want you now doing for the remainder of the class. Question 1, question 4 and 7 on page 240. So I'll save these. These are saved in the usual place: Teams, Class Notebook, Content Library, Remote Learning, and today's date is the 22nd of March. So that's your homework now due for Wednesday.